Bhopal, unveiling a city of lakes and legends. Welcome to Art Readers, your India travel partner. Today we will take you on a journey to Bhopal. There are about 100 attractions are waiting to be discovered in and around the city. People frequently explore these locations. These amazing places are well known not just in India but across the world. Sanchi Stoop. One of the oldest stone buildings in India is the Buddhist complex known as Sanchi Stoop, which Emperor Ashoka built in the 3rd century BCE. A central hemispherical chamber housing Buddha relics dominates the structure. Sanchi Stoop joined the UNESCO World Heritage Sites list in 1989 and is renowned as one of the best preserved ancient stupas of central India. The most picturesque road trip to take near Bhopal. On top of a hill in Sanchi town, Raisen district, state of Madhya Pradesh. Bhimbetka rock shelters or caves. As a symbol of social and cultural development, one of the most intriguing tourist destinations near Bhopal demands your attention. You can find the evidence of paintings and artwork from the Paleolithic and Mesolithic periods at the well-known archaeological site of Bhimbetka rock shelter, which fascinates visitors. The 750 rock shelters that make up this historical monument are spread over 7 hills over 10 kilometers. It is regarded as one of the best caves in Madhya Pradesh because it contains drawings of hunter-gatherers, agricultural methods, and expressions of spirituality that provide a rare view into the prehistoric ages. Satpura National Park. The Satpura Range inspired the name of the region. It was established in 1981. It encompasses 524 square kilometers, 202 square miles. Together with the neighboring Bori and Pachmadi wildlife sanctuaries, Satpura National Park offers 2,200 square kilometers, 850 square miles, of a rare Central Indian highland habitat. The national park's landscape comprises sandstone peaks, deep ravines, little gorges, and exceptionally rough terrain. There are 301,352 meters of elevation, 984 to 4,436 feet. It has the nearly level plains of Churna and the 1,350 meter high Dhupagarh Hill, 4,430 feet. Satpura National Park is a great spot to discover the distinctive Central Indian highland ecology. The entire biosphere, including the wildlife refuges at Bori and Pachmadi, spans 2,200 square kilometers in Madhya Pradesh. The rough landscape of this national park, which is strewn with sandstone peaks and narrow gorges and ravines, is home to animals like the tiger, Indian bison, Malabar giant squirrel, peafowls, crocodiles, and four-horn antelope. Vidisha. Around 9 kilometers from Sanchi, in the middle of India, between the Betwa and Bes rivers, is a city called Vidisha. Vidisha was a prominent trading hub between the 5th and 6th centuries BCE, as noted in the Pali literature. This old town is full of historical landmarks, including sculptures, inscriptions, archaeological sites, and ruins, many of which showcase superb Gupta-era art. Best time to visit, October to February. Forget what you think you know about Bhopal. This captivating city in central India offers a unique blend of historical wonders, stunning natural beauty, and a vibrant local culture. Follow us more on YouTube and Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.